I recently encountered my childhood Pokédex at a video game convention. I had walked up to my friend's vendor booth and I spotted it immediately. It even still had the original clearance sticker of $2.40 on it, which is crazy. The only problem was, he was asking $200. That was hard to hear, so I decided to check eBay and saw that these things regularly sell brand new for between $200 and $300. I was still feeling conflicted, so the vendor told me that he could do $180 and that you should all subscribe. It was at that point, with Pikachu staring into my very soul, that I made up my mind and forked over the money, because the truth is, I want to be the very best like no one ever was.